Find features that distinguish it from other brands for flatsons. FBA-10 Guitar Amp, 10-watt mini electric guitar amplifier with clean/drive channel. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features. Pure analog technology for crystal clear sound. Featuring full analog technology with a precise frequency response of 100 to 20 kHz at ±3 dB, delivering exceptional clarity and natural tone. With 10-watt high-power output, it covers over 165 feet, making it perfect for home practice, small gigs, and live performances. Dual tone modes, explore multiple styles. Featuring 2 independent tone modes, clean/drive, allowing you to effortlessly switch between a pristine, clear sound and a powerful, driven tone with a single button press. Additionally, the gain and tone controls provide precise adjustments, allowing you to shape guitar sound to perfection. Headphone/aux jack for greater flexibility. Enjoy seamless versatility with a 3.5 mm headphone jack for quiet practice and an AUX input for external audio sources, giving you the freedom to play, practice, or listen in any setting. Plus, the AUX VOL knob offers precise control over external audio volume. Wireless audio and long battery life. With 5.3 wireless technology, stream audio effortlessly from your phone, tablet, or laptop. Its compact 152x75x99 size and lightweight 580 grams design make it easy to carry anywhere, while the USB-C rechargeable battery provides up to 6 hours of playtime, ensuring you're always ready to perform. Vintage gift of handcrafted two-tone woven grille. Featuring a masterfully crafted two-tone woven grille, this design not only makes a striking visual impact but also improves sound transmission. As the perfect gift, it's an ideal choice for guitarists, music lovers, family, or friends, offering both practicality and unique artistic appeal. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.